Hello guys, today I am going to show how to install Windows 10. So for the installation of the Windows 10, you may need some bootable pen drive. This is my bootable pen drive. If you have not bootable pen drive, you may just see to my others video which I will give to my description box. You can see and then you easily download the ISO files and then can prepare the bootable pen drive by the use of review software. Okay, so I have already prepared this bootable pen drive. Now I am show step by step how to install the Windows 10. First of all, I am inserting to my bootable pen drive in my PC laptop. Okay, after that I will click to the start button and continue press to this escape. Okay, for the HP the BIOS setups or this setup menu, continue press to this escape menu. The escape bottom. Okay, so first of all I am clicking here and continuous click to this escape. Okay, when I have clicked to this then so there have the setup menu is showing, you can see here. Okay, after that there have the boot drive options and BIOS setups. Okay, so first of all I am going to click the BIOS setup first, and after that I will go to this the boot drive option. Whatever you can choose, you can select from here. So first of all I am going to in F9. Okay, so click in from this keyboard F9. When I have clicked to this F9, from there I can see that there are the boot menu, boot option menu. Okay, boot from EPF files in the notebook, hard drive, or use USB hard drive HP. So I have using the USB hard drive. So just click to this up and down bottom. Okay, this one, and this is select the USB hard drive HP, and I have click here, enter here. When I have clicked to this enter, okay, so now it is going to start to installation of this window. It is very long process, so see what's happened. So it is running. Okay, so it is starting like this. So step by step I will do. First of all this is the language is inserted. This is the English United. Okay, I will keep here. If you want you can change. Okay, so this is the English, and then just I am click here. If you want you can change. Okay, the time and currency just I am change it in, and then provided the now the English in Indian, and then this one I have clicked in. Okay, English in Indian, click to the next. Okay, now there are this type of install now is showing, so click here the install now. When I have clicked in, then it is in the setup is starting. Okay, so this is the simply procedure step by step. So if you have to product key, then you can provide here or type here. If you have not, then you simply click I don't have a product key. Okay, I have a click. When I am clicking, so there have this is the various type of operating system. Windows 10 home, is 10 home, and then have Windows 10 education and Windows 10 Pro. Just I am going to install Windows 10 Pro. Click here and click in next. When I have click here, okay, so it is processing now. This is the acceptance for my license. just I am click here and click to this next. When in this which type of installation do you want? If you update of your Windows, then you can click on upper one. If you want to freshly Windows, then click to this bottom custom with the install Windows only. Okay, so I have click here. When I have click here, then this is the where that you want to download it. This is my 198 point. This is my C drive, and directly clicking in next. And sometime some of these computers so this laptop during the installation there have one pop-up which is showing regarding this NTFS and MBRS GPT and MBRS problem. So if you have two problem like this which is not supporting this video, I have already prepared, you can see. So anyway, so click to this next. When I have clicked to this next and just click to this okay, so this is going to start step by step. So one by one files or these features will be installing. So this is the very long process. So step by step we will see. Now in this status up to installing update, it was installed. Now it is Windows need to restart to continue. To restart in 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds. After that, whatever the system one by one it is going on. Okay, so it is now going to start automatically. Do not press any keyboard or don't turn off your power. Okay, so it is automatically start and automatically it should be restart, and sometime it is stop and automatically it will start. Okay, so step by step what's are the procedure automatically it should be proceeding. Okay, this is this have to become. So there have choose the operating system Windows 10 in volume 2, Windows 10 in volume 2. Just anyone. Okay, just click in enter and I have clicked enter, then it will start to this next process. Okay, now it is in Windows is preparing for run. Okay, one by one updated. Okay, starting servicing. So getting device ready. So 1 by 35%. It may wait up to 100%, and then this is very carefully that don't turn off your current or your PC. Okay, so be sure okay whether it is in continue or not, be sure. Okay, now this window was come. Now this is the region, this is the Indian. Okay, now I am click ESM. Okay, click here ESM. Okay, now this is the keyboard type USN Okay, this is the English in Indian, and click to the yes. And now this is the basic setting. Okay, there have not very logics in. Okay, now uh, told me to internet, and now I am clicking. I don't have internet. Okay, now it is going to start. To finish, you need to connect. Okay. Now this is my mobile phone hotspot. I am connecting. Okay. Okay. Now it is connected, and click to the next. Okay. So now you have to some important setup to do. Okay. Let me see what is coming. Now ultimately open to my Let's Earn account. So this is the simple procedure. Just click in here email ID and click next. Click here to next, and after that password. Now they wants to put a pin code. Okay, after that this is the simple policy. Just accept and click to this acceptance. Okay, now it is good. Now in this window just click to this escape. After that it will okay see like that. Okay, now I will click no thanks. Okay, now it is just a moment. This is the simple basic setting. Okay, so just click to this next. Okay, after that it is still going on. So this is the basic simple settings. If you are able to know, then easily escape of this. After that okay, now this is the simple setting. No thanks. Simply setting, just click to this accept. This is the command simple format. Just so it is going to start ultimately my you are getting everything ready for you. Okay, so now it is approximately ready to open up my Windows. Okay, so ultimately my Windows is opened. Okay, so this is the completely open of my new Windows. Okay, I think you have to know all this process. So if you are really helped in this video, then please like to my channel. Thank you.